Hi, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to on the zoom to full screen video on your YouTube app. So if you want to watch a movie or a video which is not in full screen, let me show you what is full screen. So if I want to watch my video in full screen, like you can see that this is one of our video, and if I want to watch this video in full screen, you can see that there are some empty space on both the corners. So if you want to fill that space, like if you are watching a video or a YouTube movie, you will need a full screen for watching a movie. So if you want to fill this space, you need to do a setting which I will tell you. So first we can take back and cut this video. Now we need to select the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here we need to select the setting option. Under setting option, you can see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the general option. Now you can see that the fifth option, which is called zoom to full screen, you need to toggle off this feature, and now your screen will be full. That empty space will be covered by full screen. Let me show you how. So you can see this is one of our video, and when I do full screen, you can see that overall screen will be covered now. So it will enhance your experience of watching movies and video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.